Matching with the Under Armour kit, guys. How are we doing this? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you guys are new to this channel, I'm Matt
and I'm lOVIE,
and we do adventure videos. And right now we're in the front of Generation Sportwear. If you guys don't know, they're a sports store in Ellerslie Plaza, Maraval. And by the way, guys, this video is sponsored by Generation Sportwear. So we're gonna go inside, give you guys a nice tour of the store, and then we're possibly gonna pick out something for ourselves to wear on our upcoming hike.
So we'll be going to Rampanalgas Waterfall.
Okay, guys, so without further ado, let's head in.
Yeah.
Right away, guys, look at the size of the store. All on this side as well. Large array of clothes. Wide range of sportwear. Yeah, if you guys don't remember, they're here in Ellerslie Plaza in Maraval, so come and check them out.
This looks nice.
Is it cotton or is it dry fit?
It's cotton dry fit. I like the back in it as well.
Nice. It's unusual color. So this is a trail running shoe, right?
It's a trail running shoe.
Nice. So that could work. Yeah.
Take a little walk it back and forth.
I think I've had shoes this comfortable. It's like I'm walking on a pillow.
Oh yeah, that's so much better. Yeah, the little pink on the Nike actually matches with this top better. Nice, nice.
This is comfortable.
How does that feel? It looks very roomy.
Yeah, you could sleep in this, you could hike in this, you could do everything in this.
I just can't believe it's dry fit though. That is interesting. Under Armour, guys.
This will dry fast because of the material.
And this pants real nice and sleek. Under Armour as well. Matching with the Under Armour kit, guys, and a Nike shoe. Let's start with the shoe now.
Okay.
Yeah, so I can match everything else based on that shoe.
Okay, fashionista. Yeah, this royal orange boy.
And guys, this is a Nike Pegasus Trail. This is the top of the line. They both are super comfortable. Like the most comfortable shoes I ever wore. I feel like this one though is a tad bit more comfortable than this one. Nothing's wrong with this one. This one is perfect. Just this one, it kind of grabs your feet, like all around the sole of it. Based on how that felt, we go with this one.
I know.
Pegasus Nike Trail. Let me just try this one on. Something orange, something blue. Let's go. Yeah.
The blue looks
This
good.
is so much better. And it matches with the shoe.
Yeah, with the
Yeah.
blue tick.
It's so thin and so bouncy. This feels loose, like I'm barely wearing anything at all.
Thank you.
You don't need to put these in our bag. We're gonna actually put them on right now, right? So we'll just go put it on one time.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So come and get your sportwear, Generation Sportwear. So this is us right here. Yeah. So this is our kit here. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah, we matching with the Nike, guys. All right, guys. So we're gonna head to Rampanalgas now in 3, 2, 1. Guys, just like that, we're here. I didn't know that was gonna work, but it worked.
Yeah.
Dorian and all cracking up here.
Hi. Good morning.
Alright, guys, so we're here in Rampanalgas. If you guys want the directions, here they are. So we're on the Valencia main road here, right, fellas? Ladies, gentlemen. So we're taking a hard left onto the Toco main road, because it's Toco we going, right? That's where Rampanalgas Waterfall is, right? It's a real long road, so it's going to take a while, right? So after you go down the Toco main road, you'll you'll see Celebi River here on the right and on the left, and then you'll reach Balandra, then you'll reach Rampanalgas Road here by the lady in red and the man wearing black, right? So you're gonna swing down this road, you're taking a left, swing all the way down, you're gonna see Jerome, you're gonna see William, Robert, forget them. Don't worry about them because it's Doreen we concerned about. You drive straight down, straight into Doreen Yard like if you own the place, alright? So I'm here with Doreen, and she is the owner of the property here in the yard where you guys could park. So it's like $40 for the park. Very hospitable, so respect Doreen and her property, and that's your road to the trail.
Well, it's nice meeting people. I enjoy it a lot. Most important thing that when they go to the fall, they love it, they enjoy it, and I feel good about it.
Doreen cares about your experience here as well.
Sometimes when you go to the fall, you surface your water first. You don't really go and dive into it like that because sometimes when the river come down, the trees and things, sometimes it have logs in the water below. So you have to make sure that there is nothing, you understand, in that water before you dive down because you could get injured.
Very important.
You're supposed to dive to the middle of the pool.
To the middle.
Because there are a lot of rocks around the pool.
Right, so you guys hear that? Look out for the debris before you dive in the water. They'll have logs, and this does not only apply to this hike, but it applies to any other hike with the pools.
Of course.
Be careful when you'll come to this hike, any other hike in Trinidad, and enjoy yourselves.
And one thing, you don't have to be afraid when you're up by that fall.
Very secure and
nobody
safe.
come in and do you anything.
Yeah.
If there's any problem inside there, call me, get on to me. 3170374, that's my number. I have links with the police and I have links with the ambulance.
Oh, they hear that.
Okay.
Alright, thanks so much.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Well, I'm Matt.
Okay, alright, nice
and
meeting
that's
you.
lOVIE over there.
Okay then.
Okay.
Alright, so enjoy it.
Thank you. This is the first obstacle. Gotta cross this river here, and then we'll meet you guys on the trail.
Trying to figure out how we gonna cross now, but
Yeah. Take your time, lover.
And then you have one side and you take a cross. Alright, nice. Made it. Right. That make it good, man. When I cross here, like, you're custom.
That we are. Alright, we see ya. Thank you. Oh. Today we have my brother and his lovely wife Nishka here with us today. Nice. Joining us on this adventure today at Rampanalgas Waterfall. And guys, don't forget, if you guys have not checked out Generation Sportwear, they're located in Ellerslie Plaza, Maraval. And we are totally kitted out. That's a word?
walking on clouds.
We have a full kit here from Generation Sportwear. So far the shoes are the most comfortable thing that we ever wore.
Yeah.
So lOVIE's gonna do a little run there and check out those shoes. Run.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
Almost reach.
We're starting to hear some water. lOVIE's thirsty. Thirsty. Alright guys, so this hike is about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your fitness level. I'm sweating so much already, guys. Mark and Nishka, not so much. Guys, we're here in water already. We're only like about 5 to 8 minutes in. Oh, it's exciting. By the way guys, these shoes are gonna get a full review because this terrain is all dry, wet, slippery, mud. So we're gonna see how well these shoes operate and then we're gonna give you guys the full review on that after.
It's a real nice little stream here to bathe.
Yeah.
So which direction are we going in?
Left.
Right.
Left?
I mean, you're
She
right,
said
sorry.
go right.
Oh.
Yeah, but I think we have to cross before we go.
Oh, they're trying to get us
Go and
lost.
check out, see this here trail.
They're trying to get us lost.
It's not that difficult. She said we'll see her, Shad. Alright guys, so it looks like our shoes are about to get wet. So
That's not what I want to hear.
no, but I don't want them to get wet either, but it happens guys. I mean, we're hiking. What did you expect? It's gonna be dry all the time. Sometimes they gotta get wet. Guys, look at this nice shed here. It's just an empty shed. I guess if you want to chill out, bring food, sit down, have a little eat, you could do that here. Going over. Yeah, I seen a trailer. After we cross that little ravine, there's a trail up here, so we're gonna hit that trail now.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back.
Wow, that's beautiful. You good?
I hope there's it.
Yeah, this had to be it. There's some rope to go down here, guys.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide, when everything is alive.
Alright guys, so we think we reached. So we're gonna check out the first pool here. We might stay there or we might go and check out one or two of the others. But this is the one we're staying at, the deepest one.
I know things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse. A greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and thirst. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first.
Quick review, how you find the shoes going?
Good. I like it. Comfortable. Stability. Yeah. I like the top. It roomy.
That's the same reason I chose this Nike top as well. It's very, very light and it feels amazing. The shoes are so comfortable, Dread. I can't say enough, the most comfortable shoe I ever wore. And I think that is because of the React sole and how it really grabs your feet. It held the trail really good. There's no slipping issues with the shoes. Everything, this whole outfit from Generation Sportwear is great. We feel great, we look great, and we had this beautiful waterfall here at Rampanalgas. Guys, we came from up there, came down a rope. You can go further to the other pool or you can come down here. Woo!
Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything.
We made it!
Finally.
We are here! Woohoo! Guys, this is the natural blue water, is there?
Yeah, whenever I walk around, I drink them.
It's free.
It's all the particles.
Oh, free!
How you use the toilet?
Like your water. Like blue water.
Someone to my mouth when I was in the water.
Look at that. Everybody says it's a hidden gem and it really is a hidden gem because we nearly pass it straight now. Yeah.
So I made homemade shampoo.
Nice.
Testing out my shampoo.
I wanna visit, are you alive? I'll just breathe in. 'Cause I'm living life right, like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. Go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in.
Look at what my brother just find. A full stag. I mean, they're not even finishing your drinks. Guys, please do the right thing and clean up your areas. Pick up whatever trash you all come with. Leave the beautiful places as they are. Natural beauty. So this is the second pool here, so we're gonna check it out right before we head home.
Catch.
Yeah, high five. High five. Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow. Okay guys, so we came to the close of this video. We hope you guys enjoyed this hike to the fullest.
Yes, we almost got lost, but we found it.
Well, we nearly passed the place, but we decided to take a left and we found Rampanalgas Waterfall. So we want to thank Generation Sportswear again for sponsoring this video. We love our clothes and the shoes are just amazing, and that shoe is the Nike Pegasus. So if you guys want to get a pair, head down to Generation Sportswear in Ellerslie Plaza, Maraval.
Yes.
Please like, share, subscribe,
Click the bell to be notified for more videos in the future.
and as always guys,
Stay safe
and
stay adventurous.
Alright guys, there you know, give me one of these mangoes. What's your name? Sugar mango. So we're gonna enjoy this later. So thanks again for your hospitality, and we'll see you next time, right?